Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. Do like the channel, do subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you will be notified as and when I bring in new videos or new readings. So going to readings today, let's see what is in store for you today. I just picked out one general card. I felt like picking out one general card. Okay, now the first card which is come is your swords card. Okay, the 5 of swords here. And if you see here, it's I feel when I see this is more like an inverted pentagram, but we will still see what it means. I want to pick out one more card here. Now the next card is the 6 of cups. So maybe you people must be having a lot of issues related to your personal life today, and some of you may be emotionally not understanding what to do. You will be giving your best, but still expectations from others will be more. And this inverted pentagram, it's something many people say if it is inverted pentagram it's scary, but I feel here there's a lot of thought process running in your mind, and this thought process is related to your emotions. You're waiting for things to change. You're waiting for your personal life to start bringing in the desired emotional balance which you've been waiting for a long time, but that is not happening, and that is now putting you down. So what I did was, I told you today I took out a general card. If you see here, the general card which I took out was the 3 of Pentacles. Now here I feel, though again it's an inverted, I feel you are not thinking wisely, and you are becoming over emotional, because of which things are not happening the way it is supposed to happen. If I see this card here, again, the direction what the person is showing is somewhere else, and the person is looking there, but the movement is not happening. So maybe you know what you need to do today to come out of the issues that you're facing, but you're not ready to do it because you're scared whether it's the right decision. Today what I would suggest is, in the morning, chant Ganpati mantra 108 times. Take a bath with a little bit of rock salt, so that any unwanted energies from your body goes away, and you're able to successfully think and take the right decision. More like clarity will come. And also today the color will be orange, so wear something in orange today. Also in the evening, if you have time, offer some food to stray dogs, and I'm sure your day is going to be blessed and good. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead.